आपको बताएं कि कराची में आलमी दिफाई नुमाइश 2024 के हवाले से मीडिया ब्रीफिंग जारी है। आइए आपको बराह रास्त ले चलते हैं।
Opening ceremony. It will be followed by an executive golf. Again, this is in the honor of the foreign delegations and the exhibitors, and this is a better place for the networking and business-to-business interaction. It will be followed by an ideas gala dinner, and the theme of the dinner is "I am proud Pakistan." We will showcase the different cultures of Pakistan to our distinguished guests. Then we have an international seminar, and we are bringing a very renowned international defense expert from Turkey, our brotherly country, who will speak about how the Turkish defense industry revived over the last 10 years and what lessons Pakistan can draw from that. Then for the foreign delegations as well as our beloved people of Karachi, there will be a Tri-Services Karachi show at Sea View Nishane, Pakistan. The event will end on the closing ceremony on 22nd November, in which Minister of Defense Protection will be chief guest. Just to give you the detail of each event in the slide, sir, whatever I have discussed with you, 18th November is the exhibitors party. Then the main event on the 19th is the opening ceremony, in which various small events will take place, band displays and other activities. In the evening, we have the golf at Karachi Golf Club. Chief of the Naval Staff will be the chief guest in that ceremony. Next slide. On day 2, sir, as per program, the exhibition will continue. There will be a number of sideline conferences. It is the best place to have a business-to-business interaction. We'll have the chance to meet the foreign delegations. Foreign delegations will have the chance and have to showcase their industry to us. Then at the night is Idea Gala Dinner, in which we will show the culture of Pakistan to our distinguished guests, which are exhibitors also and foreign delegations. Next slide. On day 3, sir, the most important thing is the seminar which I just discussed. It will be Pakistan Defense Production, Potential Challenges, Opportunities and Way Forward, in which a Turkish defense expert will also deliver his lecture. In the afternoon is Tri-Services Karachi show, in which Chief Minister Singh will be the chief guest. Next slide. The last day of the Karachi exhibition, other than the exhibition, sir, we'll be having an opening ceremony in which Minister of Defense Protection will be the chief guest, and we will give the awards who are having the best stalls in that exhibition. Next. Sir, coming about some facts and figure of Ideas 2024. Sir, it's an international event in which more than 330 delegates from 55 countries will participate. In it, there are defense ministers, services chief of various armed forces, Army, Navy and Air Force. Then we have 550 defense exhibitors, out of which 335 are the international defense figures. So this is the biggest figure ever we have achieved in the idea since it started in the year 2000. As I said, we are overbooked. Still the international exhibitors, defense exhibitors want to come. So we have to arrange 2 makeshift halls, which are called hall number 8 and 9 in the exhibition. So we'll cross the limit of the Expo Center over area coverage, which is 12,000 square meter. Next, please. So coming to the media coverage plan. Next slide. So as the Brigadier Adil just said, we have to cooperate because there will be very high-level foreign dignitaries, and we have to ensure their security also, and for you also that the exhibition takes place smoothly and you are facilitated in all the aspects for the covering of the event, because we want the media to cover this event as much as possible. So entry in KSC, last slide please. Entry in KSC will only through media pass issued by the Defense Export Promotion Organization. We have, sir, issued the media passes. Still, if there is any requirement, that will be fulfilled, inshallah. We are very much acknowledged to, sir, PTV, ISPR, PID, for facilitating us, and they will be the one who will be covering the 19th November exhibition, the exhibition which will be, in which the Prime Minister will be the chief guest. The live streaming on 19th November will be facilitated through PTV. So all medias are invited to cover all activities from 19th to 22nd November. Any change in plans, sir, will be communicated because they will be having VIP foreign dignitaries. Perhaps we have to adjust some timing for the media. Requested, sir, all your gear is ready 30 to 45 minutes before the event, so there is no administrative issue. We'll try to have, please try to have no walkway interview, sir. but we will facilitate all the TV channels and media to cover and have interview of the international exhibitors and foreign delegations. For that, we have a separate media cell which will facilitate you. Any interview with the exhibitor and for the delegations will be facilitated through the depot. Our media stations will be made at the Expo Center where VIPs can be taken and you can interview them. DSNGs will be allowed to park inside KSC, sir, at a designated place. We will communicate you where this DSNG can be placed and at what time. Official press releases will be shared with you through ISPR. Next. Sir, a small slide showing which event is to be covered by which organization. The executive golf will be covered by the PTV, ISPR and depot. Inauguration ceremony will be covered by PTV, ISPR and depot. And the VIP tour exhibition will again be covered by PTV, ISPR and depot. Seminar will be covered by ISPR, depot and PTV. Ideas Karachi show will be open for the all medias, they can cover it. So is the closing ceremony and the last press brief. Oh. This is the last slide. Next. Next slide. So we are thankful to all the media houses as well as PID, PAMRA, SID for their full support during pre-ideas campaign and expected effective coverage during the event. Together, sir, we inshallah make Ideas 2024 a mega event. Thank you all, sir.
2024 के हवाले से मीडिया ब्रीफिंग जारी है। मीडिया ब्रीफिंग में कमोडोर एतजाज़ खालिद ने बताया कि आइडियाज़ 2024 नुमाइश मुल्क के लिए बहुत अहम है। मुल्क में तैयार की गई दिफाई मसनूआत की नुमाइश की जाएगी। पाकिस्तान में दिफाई मसनूआत तैयार की जा रही हैं।